everything's copacetic, nothing wrong. I have my We Blessings. Comes in this black tissue paper with a sticker on it that says, "Your blessing, your blessing has arrived, we blessing cap." I already peeked, I'm sorry. Usually I try not to peek before so you get my initial reaction, but I couldn't resist. So with We Blessings, I think it's $8 or $9 to ship to you and free for you to return it. And unlike places like Stitch Fix, where you have to buy all 5 pieces to get 25% off, with We Blessings, you get 40 to 60% off every item, every time. You can buy 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5, whatever. But each item you get 40 to 60% off. So item number 1, Acting Pro Green Tie-Dye Pocket Tank, Petite Extra Large, retail price $42.99, my cost $23. Now I just threw one away that was this army green, so now I have another one. Look at the pocket, isn't that cute? It's like a little, sort of that army green tie-dye look. I think this is really cute and it's super soft. So I hope this one fits because I like it and it's only $23. Next one is J. Crew Pink and White Seashell Short Sleeve Shirt, Petite Extra Large. Retail price $39.50, my cost $21. It's okay, nothing special. Looks like something I could get from Walmart. So I'm not sure if I want to pay $21 for it. But I'll try it on for you. This one's really cute. This is Whispers Teal and Pink Stitched Rose Tank Top, Petite Extra Large. Retail price $42, my cost $23. It's that gauzy material and it's got little pink roses on it and a little placard down here. Sleeveless. When it's, I don't like wearing sleeveless all the time, but when it's 100 billion degrees out in Texas, you kind of need to wear sleeveless. Okay, this next one, don't really care for it too much. A.U.W. whatever that is, pink. Short sleeve bohemian shirt, petite extra large. Retail price $48, my cost $26. I don't like the material very well. It's that nylon-y stuff that makes you sweat in this heat. It's got little buttons on the sleeves, on both sleeves. Kind of a hippie looking print. It looks orange on the screen, but it's really more of a salmon. I don't know, you can't really tell. It looks orange on, at least on my screen, but it's really a pinky salmon. And last but not least, I hope these fit because I plan on using them to try all the other tops on because I have a dress on. Sage Collective Black Cotton Terry Shorts, women's large. We'll see. Retail price $50, my cost $25. I don't know about $25 for terry cloth shorts. I'm not sure how long they are either. It's got the little tie in the front and some stitching down the side on both sides. No, just the one side. It's got varied colored stitching down the side. And a pocket in the back for your phone, which is nice. So I don't know, $25 seems a little high for these, but we'll try them on. Saves a trip to the store, gas money and all that. And they give you a return envelope. And I get, if you use my little code I'll give you, you don't get anything, which is kind of weird, but I can get up to $50 credit. So if you want to give this a try, use my little code I'm going to put in the comments. Alrighty, let's try these babies on, see what we think. Okay, what'd you think? There's a couple of them I liked. The shorts, I liked them. They have a pocket in the back, which is nice. They're $25 though, so I don't know. They weren't as short as I was afraid they were. So these are a maybe. What do you think? I don't have, all I have is jean shorts. I don't have any cloth shorts like this, so that wouldn't be bad to have. Now this one, I don't know about you, but I loved it. I think it's really cute. It's super comfy. I love the little crocheted pocket. That one's definitely a yes as far as I'm concerned. It's $23. So, yes, maybe. This one, it was okay, but you know, I don't buy just okay. I have to love it or I'm not getting it. Just reminded me of some shirt you'd get from Walmart for 10 bucks and it's like 20 something. So this one's probably a no. This one I really liked too. It's probably gonna be wrinkly all the time, but it's really cute. And it's really cool because it's that gauzy material, cottony gauzy stuff. Is it cotton? It's a 1X. They called it a extra large, but the tag says 1X. Let's see what this is made out of. 80% cotton. Doesn't say what the other 20 is. It says hand wash. That ain't happening. Flat, dry, flat. Do not tumble dry. I'm not gonna hand wash it, but I will wash it on gentle and hang it up to dry, but there's no way I'm hand washing anything ever. But it should be okay if I wash it on gentle. And then this one, I don't like the color on me. It's kind of orangey and I don't look good in orange. Oops, it went flying. And it's that icky, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's not a material you wear in Texas in the summertime, let's put it that way. It's, I don't know, just says, oh, 50% polyester, oh, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Yeah, it's, this kind of stuff makes you sweat bad. So this one's a definite no. So maybe on the shorts, I think yes on the 2 sleeveless ones. What do you think? If you want to try We Blessings, please use my code below. Save me some money. And I can't remember if the $5 shipping that you pay to get it, I can't remember if they take it off or not. I don't think they do. So it's kind of like a styling fee, but it's a shipping charge. They don't charge you a styling fee. So free shipping back and everything's 40 to 60% off. Let's see, let's say I kind of add this up. Let's see, that's 43 and 40 is 70. 112, another 50, another 100. So $212 worth of stuff for 6, 8, 10, 110, 120, 125. So can't beat that. It's closer to 60% off than it is 50% off. Well, what'd you think? Let me know which ones you liked. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy unboxings, I'm your girl. I do lots of unboxings, do lots of giveaways, all that jazz. I have a ice cream unboxing coming up. It's probably, I should have done it today or yesterday. I'm really behind on drawing the name for my giveaway for the Rocker Chick collab I did, but for sure I'm going to do that tomorrow, I promise. So watch for that. See if you won. All right, love y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.